Nursing homes and assisted living facilities are vital in providing care to elderly individuals who may require medical treatment, assistance with daily activities, and a safe living environment. However, nursing home abuse and neglect cases are not uncommon. In such instances, nursing home abuse lawyers step in to protect the rights of nursing home abuse victims and their families. Nursing home abuse lawyers play a crucial role in ensuring justice for nursing home residents who have suffered from abuse or neglect. Nursing home abuse and neglect encompass a range of issues that can occur in nursing homes or assisted living facilities. These incidents can include physical abuse, sexual assault, emotional abuse, medication errors, poor hygiene, neglect of medical care and personal needs. It is essential to recognize the warning signs of nursing home abuse and report it promptly to protect the vulnerable elderly population. Recognizing indicators of nursing home abuse and neglect is vital to safeguarding the well-being of elderly residents. The World Health Organization identifies elder abuse as a pervasive issue, encompassing physical and mental abuse, sexual abuse, and financial exploitation. Nursing abuse attorneys specialize in nursing home abuse cases and are well versed in federal and state laws that govern nursing home facilities. They provide legal representation to nursing abuse victims and their families, seeking justice and financial compensation for the harm caused. These attorneys build strong cases by investigating the abuse, gathering medical records and bills, and working with medical experts to establish liability. The average settlement amount for nursing home neglect cases can vary significantly depending on the specific circumstances of each case. Nursing home neglect can lead to physical and emotional suffering, medical complications, and even wrongful death in severe cases. Settlement amounts typically consider factors such as the extent of harm, the duration of neglect, the liability of the nursing home facility and its staff members. While there is no fixed average settlement amount for nursing home neglect, victims and their families often seek compensation to cover medical expenses, pain and suffering, emotional distress, and legal fees. The settlement process involves negotiation between the parties involved, including the victim or their family, the responsible party, and the insurance company. Consulting with an experienced nursing home abuse attorney is essential to ensure that the settlement amount reflects the full extent of the harm and losses incurred, providing the victim and their family with the financial support and closure they need. The duration of a settlement for a nursing home abuse lawsuit can vary depending on several factors. Nursing home abuse cases involve complex legal processes, including gathering evidence, negotiations, and potential court proceedings. Therefore, the timeline for settling may range from several months to a few years. The settlement process begins with the victim or their family filing a lawsuit against the nursing home facility or responsible parties. Once the case is initiated, both sides negotiate to reach an agreement compensating the victim for their injuries and suffering. The nursing home facilities or insurance companies' willingness to settle and the case's complexity can significantly impact the duration. While some cases may be resolved relatively quickly through negotiation, others may require more time, especially if the responsible party disputes liability or the extent of damages. Throughout this process, having an experienced nursing home abuse attorney by your side can help navigate the legal complexities and ensure that the settlement reached is fair and just. The average cost of hiring a nursing home abuse lawyer can vary based on multiple factors. Most nursing home abuse lawyers work on a contingency fee basis, meaning they only receive payment if they secure client compensation. Typically, their fees are a percentage of the settlement or award obtained, ranging from 30% to 40% of the total amount. This contingency fee structure allows victims and their families to access legal representation without upfront costs, making it more accessible to those in need. Additionally, many nursing abuse attorneys offer free consultations and case reviews to assess the merits of a potential case before moving forward. The actual cost of hiring a nursing home abuse lawyer will depend on the case's complexity, the extent of damages, and the negotiated fee percentage. Victims and their families should discuss fees and payment arrangements with their chosen attorney during the initial consultation to ensure transparency and a clear understanding of the financial aspects of legal representation. When nursing home abuse or neglect occurs, taking legal action becomes necessary to hold responsible parties accountable. Personal injury lawyers can help victims and their families navigate the complex legal process, filing nursing home abuse lawsuits and pursuing justice on their behalf. Their expertise ensures that the legal process is smoother and that victims receive the compensation they deserve for their physical and emotional suffering. If you or a loved one has been a victim of nursing home abuse, it's crucial to seek legal representation from experienced nursing home abuse attorneys. They can help you navigate the legal process, gather evidence, and pursue justice on your behalf. Don't hesitate to reach out to a nursing home abuse lawyer for a free case review and consultation to protect the rights of your elderly loved ones and seek the compensation they deserve. Your choice to hire a nursing home abuse attorney can make a significant difference in achieving justice for nursing home victims and preventing future cases of abuse and neglect.